So today we are solving question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are under root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. You are given two zeros, root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. And you have to find the other zeros of this polynomial. As earlier I have told you that any polynomial have the number of zeros equal to its degree. That means if the degree of the polynomial is here 4, then you will have 4 zeros. Maximum number of zeros will be 4. You have got 2 of zeros, root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3 as given. So you have to find out the two other zeros. And how will you find those two zeros? First of all, you will write root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3 are two zeros of given polynomial. These are two zeros of given polynomial. Therefore, what will happen? You see, first x minus root 5 upon 3, x minus first 0 into x minus plus root 5 upon 3 will be factor of given polynomial. Why? You know that when we factorize this and we get different factors of this polynomial, then you equate each of the factor equal to 0. So obviously the maximum number of factors which you can obtain by factorizing this will be 4, as its degree is 4. Two of the factors will be as x minus root 5 upon 3 and x plus root 5 upon 3, x minus first 0 and x minus second 0. So these two factors will give the two zeros. So two zeros are given to us, so we have written the two factors like this. If zeros are given, so x minus first 0 into x minus second 0 will be factor of the given polynomial. Or this is a minus b, a plus b, or you can say you multiply these two brackets, so you get a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square is factor of given polynomial. You can take 3 LCM or 3x square minus 5 is factor of given polynomial. You can take 1 upon 3 outside the bracket or and leave it, because the constant here which is taken common from the whole of the polynomial does not affect its zeros, or 3x square minus 5 is factor of given polynomial. You can leave this 1 upon 3 and can write only 3x square minus 5 as the factor of the given polynomial. Now, you have got one factor 3x square minus 5 of given polynomial. So, you will now find the other factor of 3. Now, to obtain other factor we divide given polynomial by 3x square minus 5. So this is 3x square minus 5, and now what will you do? You will divide the given polynomial by 3x square minus 5. This is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube. This is equal to minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now, I divide this. I told you, first of all, the sign plus divided by plus. 3 divided by 3 get 1. 4 minus 2 power 2. So you will take only x square. Here x square you will take 3 1 are 3, 4 minus 2, 2. And plus divided by plus. Now you multiply these 2, you will get 3x4 minus 5x square. You subtract it, you will get these two cancelled, and now 6x cube plus this sign has been changed, plus 5 minus 2, 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now 3 2s are 6 and power 3 minus 2 1. Sign positive. 3 2s are 6, 2x. So 2 3s are 6x cube, 2 5s are 10x. And now change the sign, get these two cancelled, and you are left with 3x square minus 5. Same as the divisor. So take plus 1 here. 3x square minus 5. 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5. Change the sign, get these two cancelled, remainder will become 0. As this is factor of this polynomial, 3x square minus 5 is factor of this polynomial. So on dividing this polynomial by 3x square minus 5, you will get remainder 0. Now, what do you do? Now you factorize this quotient. And how you do this? X square plus 2x plus 1. And now x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x square plus x plus 1, or x common x plus 1 plus 1 common x plus 1. You take here, you 1 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So you have taken the factors of 2 as 1 plus 1. Obviously this will become x plus 1 into x plus 1, x plus 1 whole square. You directly could write this as x plus 1 whole square. Taking as it has got two factors. One was 3x square minus 5. The polynomial has got one factor 3x square minus 5, and second factor is this. So when we equate this factor equal to 0, then we will get the other zeros. So to obtain, so for finding the value of other zeros, we take x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That means this is x plus 1 whole square. That means x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Or x plus 1 equal to 0. Or x equal to minus 1. So the other two zeros will be minus 1 and minus 1. Because here in first bracket you have got x plus 1, and see here is the same factor of both. So you will write here therefore other two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. Both are same because you have got here whole square. X plus 1 whole square equal to 0 means x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 according to both brackets. So here you have found out the two other zeros of this polynomial as minus 1 and minus 1, and this is the answer.